goes.
I wish Gavin was here. Oh my God!
Where is Talon? He should have reported back ages ago. What is that? What is this thing? Hope it didn't have to do anything with Talon. Man, wonder what that thing was. Better. Yeah, I got scratched on the head. What? Talon! Is this really you? Oh my gosh! I have to kill him. I think we all know what time it is. What is up, guys? It's Brew17, and hope you guys liked that little skit. Here are the two guys who helped me. Nathan, I have two brothers, so bye.